We're Soulful Cooking's Little Bakers.
So Sanvi, what are we baking today?
Well, we're gonna do something special today, something different. We're not gonna be baking. We're gonna be making pakoras in our air fryer.
Oh, that's awesome. And the rainy weather is perfect for it.
Yep, true. So over here are our ingredients. We have vegetables. We're using spinach, different colored bell peppers, cauliflower, carrots, some boiled potatoes, and cabbage. You can tweak around with it. You can skip some, or you can add other vegetables like corn or peas. It's up to you.
Yeah, over here we have 3/4 cup of chickpea flour and 1/3 cup of rice flour.
Yes, and we also have 1/4 cup of yogurt and 2 teaspoons of oil. And here are the spices. We have turmeric powder, coriander powder, some red chili powder, garam masala,
Salt, black pepper, chaat masala, and cumin powder.
Yeah. So we're going to mix everything into this bowl.
Oh, I can't believe we're already in the 3rd month.
Yeah, it's gonna be April soon.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, that just reminded me. I have a question for you.
Okay.
Can February march?
I don't think it can. No, it can't. But April, May. You got the joke. Yeah, it was a joke about months. And I think I forgot to mention earlier, but here we have 2 tablespoons of water in case while mixing the mixture is a little dry, so we can just add a little bit. It depends on the vegetables you're using, the moisture of it. So that's optional. Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay, go ahead.
What is a balloon's least favorite music?
Huh. Oh wait. It's pop music.
Pop! Balloon doesn't want to pop. Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, that
Yeah?
joke reminded me. I have a similar question.
Yeah?
Why can't Elsa have a balloon?
Because she will let it go.
Let it go. Yeah, you got that right.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're almost done putting the ingredients in. I have a question for you, Anya. Another one. It's like today's a joke day.
Yeah, go ahead. So, why did the barber win the race? Why does the barber always win the race?
Oh, I know the answer to this one.
Because
He knew a shortcut. Like, he's
Correct.
the barber, so.
Correct. So we're going to preheat our air fryer at 350 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So this is the mixture. We let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. It released some moisture, and this is the consistency that we're looking for.
yeah, and the air fryer is also ready, so now we're gonna be greasing it.
The reason chose to make this today was because it's Holy Eve special.
Yeah.
And I love eating all different kinds of pakoras.
Yeah. Well, I like brinjal pakora and potato pakora.
I like gobi, cauliflower pakora.
Okay. So now we're gonna be putting it in.
And of course, I also like bread pakoda.
Yeah, that's also really delicious.
Okay, yeah, it's ready to go in. And we're gonna set it for 10 minutes. And we're going to fry the rest of the mixture in the same way.
Yes. So
It's almost, oh, it's ready!
it's ready. So yeah, what we like about the air fryer is that it
uses way less
very
oil
less oil in
than the traditional way, and
it's really healthy.
So
Yeah.
let's take it out. Whoa!
Look at it. It looks so
Delicious.
crispy and it's
Yeah.
a nice color. It's so good.
Yeah. So this is our second batch.
Yeah.
It's very crispy and delicious. You
Yeah.
were already gone.
Yeah. It looks just so delicious and I can't wait to enjoy. Yeah, you can eat it with green chutney or tamarind chutney, but I'm gonna eat it with ketchup.
Oh, of course. You like almost anything with ketchup. Well, I'm gonna enjoy it with dahi vada.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I'm also gonna have some.
And I'm excited for tomorrow too, because the first thing we're gonna have is Bua Holy Special.
Yes, and we're gonna play in the colors with
Yeah,
you.
play Holy with you. That will be fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, happy Holy. Stay safe. Bye. Thank you.